like articles about the problem of children in the Child Development Center Najan. This paper is a summary of an article about the problem of children in child care center. The author aim of a class performance like notes reflection is big problem in child development center presentation of the problem and solution. The problem recommend for use as a guideline to Sinlong, the Child Development Center for test use in Child Development Center Najan, such as problem child like Mickey falling into the machine. Children do not sleep digging the daylight sky kids. Picket the long cross. Children like problem. Children like to sing like up south summer. Child children of friend children do not eat vegetables. Eat first teacher shall have a consequence call. Parents understand a similar approach in order to help solve the problem to the point and accurate. Teacher shall have a confidence call. Parents understand a similar approach in order to help solve the problem to the point and accurate. Teacher must have the technique and method to solve problem. Knowledge, caring, teacher the blow in intelligence. Through a quality of teacher, I do not like singing, dance, politics, painting, modeling, care or educational game for children to have the opportunity to learn, to help others to prepare the next layer. Teachers shall be careful about the safety of children. Many teachers do not allow children to behave like this. The children also Thursday, so it's have not much care for teacher and caretaker. Union aiming to be teacher have applied a variety of techniques for the care promotion to children. I hope his attitude will be useful for those interested more or less. Miss วิภาดา ดำเนินงาม